lowercase k, starting at the skyline, make a straight line down to the grass line, go over to the skyline, and go in and then out again. Almost like an alligator's mouth there. All right, and lowercase k, a little bit trickier for this part, but skyline again, down to the grass line. That's a straight line. And then when you go to make the lowercase, you want to move over on the dotted line and then go in and out. So your little alligator mouth is in the middle between the plain line and the grass line there.